This is AQA A-Level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on the topic of equilibrium. So pause, have a go, and then review. So we have got here equilibrium established in a container with volume VCm cubed, we've got a temperature of 393 K and a pressure of 200 kilopascals. We've got the equation, we've got 1 mole of M2 and 1 mole of R, making 1 mole of RM2. And it's an endothermic reaction with a delta H of plus 150. So the question is, which of these would increase the yield of RM2? Well, if we go through them in turn, if I take a look at A, changing the pressure to 150 would be a reduction in pressure. That would mean the system would try to increase the pressure by favouring the reaction that leads to an increase in the number of moles. We've got 2 moles on the left, 1 on the right, so equilibrium would shift to the left, which would decrease the yield of RM2. If we move down to the next one, changing temperature to 293, that's a reduction in temperature. Decreasing temperature would favour the exothermic reaction, and as the forward is endothermic, that means we'd be favouring the backward reaction, again reducing the amount of RM2, reducing that yield. If I move down to D, if I change the volume of the vessel, what I'm doing is actually, if I double the volume, I'm halving the pressure. So that's exactly the same situation as we had with A. That would shift equilibrium to the left. However, if I remove RM2 as it's formed, then the system is going to shift the equilibrium to try to replace that RM2. Equilibrium shifts to the right, yield increases. Correct answer is C.